Every year, around the winter solstice, on the 21st or 22nd of December, there is a notable shift in weather, which often affects the lungs. This period becomes the peak season for symptoms such as coughing, phlegm and wheezing. Here we are sharing the walnut tea therapy used to alleviate the symptoms in this season. After the cooking process, filter the juice and walnut pieces, then add a small amount of honey. Enjoy the moisturising and warm juice as a tea, and then slowly chew and swallow the walnuts. This tea could help resolve phlegm and relieve wheezing, and is also suitable for regular health consumption by the elderly.